Hi, it's Michael Hayes from Keleher & Co. Welcome to our listing that's coming soon, 257 Cedar Street in Collingwood, Ontario. Some things I want to tell you about this house. First of all, it's on a wonderful block in the Tree Streets. The block is speckled with beautiful homes, both new and old. The house is 3 blocks from Harbourview Park and the waters of Georgian Bay. It's 5 to 7 blocks from amenities such as Loblaws, the Huron Club, the public library. It's a very walkable spot. And finally, the homeowners here have done a ton of work to this house, which the original part was built in the 1860s, to do things like new insulation, straighten some floors, add AC, and a new furnace, some plumbing and wiring. It's a really great home. Come on in and take a look. Oh, you're finished the tour. Thanks for taking a look. Just enjoying some sun in this beautiful backyard. I tell you what, it's even better in person, so give us a call for your private showing. Thanks. P.S. Did you see Earl the Great Dane in the video? If you missed him, watch it again. See ya.